What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be filming a full day. I think we have 8 cars on the schedule, so we have automated a lot of the online booking systems and processes, and it's been giving us amazing results. We're adding 15-minute windows between every job. So of course, his shop needs good quality automation for scheduling. We have over almost 300 reviews. If you're watching this video, we're probably well over 300 reviews, or right around 300 reviews right now. And 2 installers, 1 sales guy, and we also do in-store pickup and distribution out of his warehouse. So we all have different tasks here. But today I'm an installer, my other installer's here as well, and we have Jared assisting with the sales rep stuff. So let's go ahead and walk through the process of actually tinting for a full day, and I'll break down the revenue that we made. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're in March, so it's March 14th. So it's still not peak busy season yet, but we are pretty busy for this time of year. So I think that has to do with our ads on Google and also our ads on Facebook. So pretty good year. Let's get it going. All right, guys, this is a Honda. It's getting ceramic all the way around. The ticket on this one is $500. This is our first job of the day. Let's see how the process goes. Good start to the day. All right, guys, this vehicle is all done. We did 5 in the back, 35 in the front. Pretty easy. These do have a little bit more shrinking to do because they're very curvy, but that is all done. So now we're going to pull this out and start on vehicle number 2. All right, guys, so we are starting car number 3, it's a Toyota, and we're gonna pull in the Honda. Let's pull this car in. Okay, guys, so we are all done with those 2 vehicles. We have, I believe, 2 more. Let me see. Got the Acura. I think we have 3 more. Okay, 3 more. So Malibu, Acura, and then Honda. All right. Let's get into it. Last 3. Jared's going poop. Jared! Yeah. Nothing? All right, guys, so days like today are very important to be efficient. So we start at 8 a.m. and we have blocks of 10 minutes every single 10 minutes. We have a vehicle, so 8, 8:10, 8:20, 8:30, 8:40, 8:50, and we end that at 11. So technically we can do like 15 jobs a day or something like that, but we know that most people, you know, a lot of people don't show up. So I think we have like 4 or 5 or 3 reschedules, so it works out. So now let's pull the next 2 in and let's get started. All right, guys, so we are all done with this vehicle as well. This one got the full treatment. Let's flip this thing around. Now, we had some technical issues with this car. In fact, actually there wasn't really a key. We had to actually use some pliers. So the pliers are the key, in fact, for this vehicle. From what I understand, it's a new model. No more need for a key when you have pliers. So yeah, innovative. But we've got 2 more cars. Then we got a little bit left in our brain cells in our brain to finish this project. So let's get back to this Acura. All right, guys, so it's 2:45 in the afternoon. We've got full car. Is there a windshield? All right, guys, not going to lie, I am pretty tired. We are on car number 8 now. It's the last car of the day, and it's been a lot of jobs. Good day of revenue. If you don't know, we have a giveaway car, so make sure to check that out. It's giveaway car number 2. We giveaway cars. Go buy something on our site, earn your chance to win a Ford Bronco Raptor. But next car, got this Toyota. Oh, and giveaway car 1 is being given away pretty soon here. If you're watching this, get your final entries in, because this car is actually leaving us in a few weeks. You know, it's crazy how the winter is so dead, and then like immediately after or in tax season, you're like 10 cars a day. But I mean, I know that most of my jobs have been coming in through Facebook, and of course, like we run our own Facebook and meta ads. So we have a lot of control over that. But putting yourself in a position to succeed by having the skills, knowing meta ads, knowing Facebook ads, having your pixels integrated in your website, having your full understanding of your meta conversions, or having a marketing agency that can do it for you, because I took years learning that skill. It's not something you learn overnight, but it's not even a service that we offer actually. But having an ad you can run locally can keep you real busy once the season hits. So we run a new ad every week, a new window tinting ad every week, and we run a special, and gets a lot of people indoors. So make sure don't drop the ball on Facebook. All right, guys, so I am done. I'm completely done and burnt out, but we are done for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what the numbers are. I will try to edit this and talk about the numbers in another day on Monday when we edit and upload this video. So last job done. Let's go home.